Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset all settings and configurations in Krita. And so before we do this, I'm actually going to move stuff around just to show you on how you can do this easily. So I'm going to move my toolbar. I'm going to increase the size of the color right here. And then let's go ahead and add some few more adjustments. Right after, to go ahead and reset all of these settings and configuration, you want to navigate through the setting button. It's going to be at the top of your screen. Browse all the way down and there will be this reset all setting. You then have to confirm it. Do you want to clear the setting file? Of course, click yes, click on OK, and then it will simply reset all of the configurations and setting that we have made on Krita. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.